5 strategies to put in place to keep your guest coming back. When it's time to rebook your guest appointment, don't ask them if they want to rebook. Ask them, do you want to come in at 2 weeks or do you want to come in at 3 weeks? Don't give them an option to say no. Offer some sort of loyalty program as well as a referral program. So whenever your guest comes in for their fills, maybe every 5th fill, they get a free cool down mask. When your guest refers someone to you, they get $20 off their next fill. It's a win-win situation. Let your guest DJ their appointments, especially for those guests that are very expressional talkers. They like to have control of the appointment in that kind of way. Are you offering lash lifts? If so, give your guests a nice hand massage while the solutions are processing. When you have those new guests that come into the studio, make sure to text them a couple days after their first appointment. Check in on them. How is their set living? How is washing their lashes going? And maybe even ask for a lash selfie. There's no better way to get your new guests involved into your business and into your lash community than posting them on social media. Have other ideas how you like to retain your guest? Let us know in the comments.